Hello everyone, and welcome back to Equilinox. Equilinox. Equilinox? Last time we made a bit of expansion on the forest, and we also made a little bit of forest here. I'm thinking that we might want to go a bit into some new biomes. And I don't know about you guys, but I mean, desert biome? Desert? No. The jungle? The jungle is appealing. But I'm thinking maybe we should also focus a little bit more on just getting things a bit more ready for the jungle biome. Right, so apparently our boars are not 100% satisfied. That's because they don't have both of their liked species, which is a cedar tree. Cedar tree, we need heather. And we need them to be big trees. Which none of these are. But they at least have the heather. So let's see if we can grow these trees a little bit. There we go. And then we should be able to eventually, when they're grown enough, evolve them into cedar trees. So we can put them up here and get our satisfied boars. Until then, we also need to evolve a bunch of mushrooms. But that seems to need to take, or it seems like it's going to take quite a while. We also have the woodland biome, which I'm very intrigued in. We are growing that right now after all, and we have absolutely nothing of it actually. So I mean, maybe we should train a bit, or try to get a bit further on that. So we actually need oregano, which grows from grass. What kind of grass? I don't know. Muddy green grass with mushrooms nearby. Here we have some mushrooms. We also have some mushrooms down here. This is a good fresh green little plant, a grass tuft. So let's change this to mud green, is it? I hope so. I think it was mud green. It was. Okay. So that one's working on a mud green plant. So we can grow the forest. And over here we are growing on even, or well, trying to get even taller trees. Let's see. Mutation. A strange tulip. That's a daisy. But we already got... Oh, here is tulip. Okay, so this is like a brown tulip. Also, our apple a day task is complete again, so we got a bunch of points. Apparently that completes automatically, which is extremely nice. Right, we need wobbly trees in the world, apparently. I don't know quite how you would get a wobbly tree. Apparently from a birch tree. Okay, let's see. A wobbly tree. It needs to be very, very grassland filled. And it needs to be... There need to be sheep as well. So it looks like we're actually gonna make a new little herd of sheep over here. And now we can get a wobbly tree. Now let's see. Is this mud green? I am unsure. Oh, they're both mud green, it seems. Yeah. Yeah, okay, they're both mud green. So now mud green next to mushrooms. Okay, well, we can just start evolving that right now. You take over that evolution actually, because you are healthier than the other green grass tuft. I know this sounds very morbid, but I can't wait until we get some predators in here. It really fascinates me with the predators. Oh, here's a tree. How tall are you? You're normal sized. Oh, you're a bit bigger. I think we need to grow you 5%. Well, I guess these can be on as well. It doesn't really matter, but yeah, because we need, for a cedar tree, you need to be 1.8. So I think you need to be 1.5. Well, 5%. I guess it's not 5% bigger at this point, but close enough. Wobbly tree? Oh, here we go. Now where do you need to be? I actually don't know. Let's put you here for now. Let's see. An oddly shaped tree with a few clumps of leaves. This tree is only able to survive in grassy areas where few other trees are growing. Needs a lot of space to survive. A favorite tree for birds to nest in due to the strong branches and long length of the tree. Okay, well that's very cool. Below 20 in grassland, and it likes stones and birds. Okay. So, well, for now you're gonna have to be over here, unfortunately. We wanna kind of put the birds over here, though. Is this grassland? Mostly grassland. So, actually, never mind. You can stay over there. And this was something. What is this? Oregano. A very fragrant small herb with little white flowers. The oregano plant is able to grow in barren soil and spreads the woodland biome, so it acts as a good starting plant for creating woodland ecosystems. It can be a good source of food for smaller creatures. Right. Then you are not at all supposed to be right there. You, my friend, we're actually gonna transplant up here, where you will be much, much happier. There we go. And now we should be able to... Okay, so we need to steal one of these chickens, who aren't doing very well anyways. And they, the lucky one, is gonna move up here. And eventually become a sparrow. If only it starts... Oh no, it was barley we needed. Okay. Well, I do believe we grew barley as well. Yeah, there we go. Barley is much rarer, but it works. And this is saying less than 30% woodland, I just realized. So we're... Wait, less than 30%. Where's more than? I don't know about you guys, but I always saw this as a little crocodile mouth. Now the crocodile mouth is open to this side, so this side is the bigger than side. So is this less than 30% woodland? I feel like they would like woodland though, so I'm a bit uncertain about that. That's a chicken. And you go in forests and woodland. Okay. I think I might have to change this. Let's see, what spreads woodland? Oregano. Oregano spreads woodland. So. That makes me want to move you, but you're gonna lose in 2 seconds anyways. Let's see then. Let's put a few buttercups here. Now I'm confused. It spreads woodland biome. Okay. Right, but there's barely any woodland here. Oh, we completed an apple a day again. Goodness, I am getting... Wait, okay, so... No, that's a normal sized. That's also a normal sized. A size tree, that's a smaller tree. That doesn't seem right. That's slightly bigger. Let's see. I'm wondering what to do about the sparrow. Seems like it needs more woodland. Especially because I believe... Oh no, never mind. Let's move you. Oh goodness, I can't see a thing. Let's move you over here. Okay, start evolving. So it was more than 30%. Okay. Man, it is very dark. Let's speed through the night a little bit here. There we have our first little sparrow. Bloop. Oh. This sparrow is loving life. A toucan? And an eagle? Oh, I mean... Man, I really love this game. Let's speed up so we can see how you look eventually. There we go. Little tiny sparrowling. Oh, and it flies! I suppose that makes sense. Yeah, well, that's amazing. Oh, we have one that's... Well, that's still quite... Not quite. It needs to be even taller. You need to be even taller, little friend. There we go. You need to be really, really tall to become a cedar tree. Okay, well, we have a flying sparrow now, so that's great. And it seems to enjoy life. Does this one not have a name? Interesting. Apparently sparrows don't have names. Oh well. Now let's see what else we can do. I really want to build on the woodland. So okay, let's sit down and try. We're right, wobbly trees with the grassy plains. We have one little wobbly tree. It is not liking life whatsoever. It wants to be in grassland, it wants stones, and it wants birds. So let's see, where is grassland? Grassland is more over here, it seems. So let's put, not oak tree, let's put wobbly tree. Right there, and right there. No, never mind, there's only one. Okay, what is the other species you need? Stones, right, okay. Well, we can put some stones down for you. And even put a big rock again. There we go. So now you should be doing much better. It's sort of a suitable biome, but not quite. You need just grassland, just pure grassland. Well, unfortunately we don't have a lot of that. Right over there, that's more over here. Yeah, this is grassland for sure. But the problem with that is... Well, I suppose over here I could have put it. Okay, sure. Let's put another one over here, actually. Whenever it comes to that. Let's remove some of these oak trees. And put down a sparrow when we have the proper points for that. Right, and our boars aren't satisfied at all, but we'll work on that next time, I think. And then we need tropical seaweed and clownfish. We also need elm trees and sycamores. Well, here's an elm tree and a sycamore, okay. So what does this need? Woodland. I believe we have that up here. Oh no, woodland. Right, okay. Yeah, no, we don't have any oak trees in the woodland, to be fair. And sycamores need herbs and flowers. So I suppose we can put down... Well, let's put down the wobbly tree. Wait for that first. There we go. And next time... there we go. Boom. 16,000 points. And also berry bushes, apparently. Have a sheep eat... A sheep? Oh no. A sheep eat 5 berry bushes. We even have... Do we even have berry bushes? I don't feel like we do. Unlock the berry bush and create a suitable area for it to grow. Yeah, no, I don't think we have the berry bush. Does a fruit bush count? Tomato plant. This small plant grows relatively quickly and produces juicy tomatoes which animals can eat. It is, however, tricky to grow and can only survive at very low altitudes and is only fertile in grassland or woodland areas. Boy, do I have a surprise for you, little tomato plant. Because we actually also need some herbs over here. So, boom. Right there, although I don't think you classify as an herb, technically. Oh, okay, that's how we get a berry bush. Color pink, and it needs to be in grassland. We can do that easily. But that'll have to go for next time. I mean, look at our thriving little community down here. Okay, you guys. But I'll see you guys next time. You guys. Our little sparrow just laid eggs. Oh, there's so many sparrows now. It just laid little eggs. Oh, it's nesting on them. Oh, and there's 2. And 3. Man, they're really taking turns. Okay, well, that one's just looking. They're really taking turns on these nests. But you guys, I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.